Welcome to the enigmatic world of the Venus flytrap, Dionea muscipula, a carnivorous plant with a ferocious appetite.
Native to subtropical wetlands on the east coast of the United States, these plants thrive in nitrogen-poor soils.
The name Venus Flytrap is derived from Venus, the Roman goddess of love, juxtaposing the idea of beauty with its deadly nature. This carnivorous plant captures its prey with leaves that snap shut faster than you can blink in less than a second. Each leaf trap consists of two lobes that form a hinge-like structure lined with sensitive trigger hairs. When an unsuspecting insect touches these hairs twice, the trap is triggered and the leaf lobes close, capturing the prey.
The trapping mechanism is a sophisticated process involving changes in cell pressure and water movements within the plant.
Once the insect is trapped, the Venus flytrap secretes digestive enzymes to break down the prey and absorb the nutrients. This carnivorous diet allows the plant to thrive in nutrient-poor soil by supplementing its diet with nitrogen from the insects.
Interestingly, Venus flytraps can also photosynthesize like other plants, making them part-time sunbathers and part-time hunters.
The life cycle of a Venus flytrap includes a period of dormancy in winter, where it appears to die back, only to regrow in spring.
Venus flytraps reproduce through flowering in early spring. They produce white flowers on stalks that grow well above the traps.
Pollinated by bees and other insects, these plants must cleverly ensure that their pollinators are not captured as prey. The ecological role of Venus flytraps extends beyond their traps. They provide habitat and microecosystems for various organisms.
Despite their fascinating nature, Venus flytraps face threats from habitat destruction, illegal poaching, and climate change.
Conservation efforts are underway to protect these unique plants, including cultivation by enthusiasts and protective legislations.
It's a common myth that Venus flytraps can eat anything. In reality, they thrive on a diet of small insects and arachnids.
The lifespan of a Venus flytrap in the wild is about 20 years, showcasing their resilience and adaptation to their environment.
To prevent self-digestion, the trap won't close completely at first, allowing smaller, non-nutritive insects to escape. Venus flytraps demonstrate a form of memory. A single touch will not trigger the trap, requiring a second touch to ensure it's worth closing.
Researchers study Venus flytraps to understand electrical signaling in plants and potential applications in robotics and medicine.
Venus flytrap's genetic makeup has been sequenced, offering insights into its carnivorous adaptation at a molecular level.
Fun fact, Charles Darwin was fascinated by carnivorous plants, including the Venus flytrap, calling it one of the most wonderful in the world.
Cultivating Venus flytraps at home requires mimicking their natural habitat: high humidity, acidic soil, and plenty of sunlight.
The Venus flytrap can count the number of times its prey touches it, using this information to trigger digestion processes. Unlike most plants, the Venus flytrap can move rapidly in response to stimuli, a feature known as rapid plant movement. In popular culture, the Venus flytrap has inspired numerous characters and stories, from horror films to educational children's books.
Despite their meat-eating habits, Venus flytraps can be a threat to household pests, acting as a natural insect control method.
The unique mechanism of the Venus flytrap has led to it being considered an endangered species in the wild, emphasizing the need for conservation efforts.
Interestingly, the traps of a Venus flytrap will only operate effectively for about 3 to 4 closures before they photosynthesize and die. The Venus flytrap doesn't just snap shut on anything. It's selective, responding primarily to the movements of living prey. This incredible plant is not only a hunter, but also plays a crucial role in its ecosystem, proving that even in the plant kingdom, there are dynamic roles and behaviors.
To maintain a Venus flytrap, avoid feeding it human food. Insects are its natural diet, and anything else can harm the plant.
Adaptation is key to survival, and the Venus flytrap is a perfect example of how even plants have evolved extraordinary methods to thrive.
In recent years, studies on Venus flytraps have led to a greater understanding of plant intelligence and adaptive behavior. While Venus flytraps may seem alien, they remind us of the incredible diversity and adaptability of life on Earth. Protecting the Venus flytrap goes beyond saving a species. It's about preserving a unique piece of the world's botanical heritage. As we unearth more about these carnivorous plants, Venus flytraps continue to intrigue researchers with their mysteries and evolutionary marvels.